Here the question is to name the method applied for the concentration of bauxite ore in the extraction of aluminium. The method is Bayer process. The Bayer process is an industrial method used to purify bauxite ore to obtain aluminium oxide or alumina, which is the raw material needed for aluminium extraction. Here the bauxite ore is first crushed and then ground into a fine powder to increase the surface area for the extraction process. The powdered bauxite is mixed with a hot concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide at high temperature around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius in high pressure tanks. This process is known as digestion. In presence of sodium hydroxide, the aluminium containing the minerals in bauxite react to form soluble sodium aluminate with the formula NaAlO2. Here the reaction can be represented as AlOH thrice, that is aluminium hydroxide, react with sodium hydroxide to produce sodium aluminate. This mixture is then allowed to settle and the insoluble red mud is separated from the clear sodium aluminate solution by filtration method.